faith we rise. In Islam's holiness our strength lies. From land to sea, Palestine fights. In Allah's name we unite. Struggle and strive, a test we face. Injustice, oppression we embrace. With hearts aflame we stand tall. For Palestine's freedom we'll give our all. In the depths of our souls a fire ignites. Love for our faith we'll continue to fight. With hearts united we'll overcome the strife. In the name of justice we'll reclaim our right. So rise up.